Hello and welcome back to my channel, your favorite math teacher right here. This is the concluding part of the story I was telling in my other video about my friend that went to buy clothes from Onitsha market to impress a guy during our prescience days. So remember I said I will refer to the guy as a maker because of the story. So when she now bought the clothes, now on the Monday she went to school. So when she came back, I think I saw her at home. I went home before her. So when I saw her, she burst into tears, started crying that the guy saw her, started laughing. I was like, no. What, don't you think maybe you were saying something when you passed that maybe they now saw you and started laughing? She now said no, that in fact she was convinced. And I thought, okay, how did it happen? She said that she went to the guy's class, or the guy came to the class and the guy was talking to somebody, but she saw the guy from the back. So immediately she passed, the guy whispered something to that girl, the latest girlfriend or the main girlfriend, and the other boys, and all of them now burst into laughter. So when she told me, I was like, this is bad, but why would he laugh? Like, it doesn't make sense. Why would you see someone and just start laughing? I thought, okay, just one sheet. You never can be sure. You're not too sure it was you that he was really laughing at. So I think another day, maybe a week or two, I can't really remember, it's been long. I myself, I was now passing. So because normally, even when they were friends and everything, I see the guy, we just like, hi, how you doing? Fine. How is class? We say fine. We just laugh because we are all undergraduates. We are looking for admission. We are just jam bites. So I now saw him alone. So I was like, how far? He said he's fine. I said, how is school? He said fine. Stress. Never started complaining. We parted ways. When I was coming back from where I went to buy something, and I saw him with his friend, he started whispering something to the friend, like kind of pointing at me. And me, I passed like with my side view. I saw him, so I now entered. I now went back to the store. It's not to confront him; it's none of my business. But I went back to get like something from the store. So I said, "How far? Fine." He now asked me, "How is my friend and roommate?" In my mind, I was like, "Why are you asking me this?" Maybe that to confirm to the guy that this is truly the person I'm talking about. I just mumbled, "She's fine," and now I left. And I said, "Okay." Now there is this boy. He's everywhere. His name is Obina. He's everywhere. I mean, someone is everywhere. The way he knows people, the way he interacts with people, I don't know. You would think he knows them from Adam. So the guy, that guy, the one I'm talking about, the busybody guy, the Obina guy, okay, came to me one day. Now told me that the other guy, like this Emeka guy, has been going around telling those that care to listen that my friend checked him and he said no. But that please, I should not tell my friend, dude. I know how she can get like annoyed and everything, that I should not ask her. And I said no problem, I will not ask her. But I started thinking about this is not like, it's not a nice news to hear. So I went to her jejely and I asked her, babe, see, did you at any occasion tell this boy Pump and Plain that you wanted to like have something to do with him, with your mouth? She stood up, she pissed off everything. And I said, okay, because this is what I'm hearing, this is what this guy told me. I didn't tell that I did. And I said, okay, why not let me call this boy so that you can like tell him, why are you saying this about my name, the Mecca guy here? So now I said, no, that she's pissed off, she's going to confront. I said, yes, even me. I would also like you to confront him, because this is not a nice news. That's where, after the whole shouting, we left that day. Me, I didn't remember it again. So one day I now asked her, she said, that she's just looking for a perfect time to like confront the boy. And after that, in fact, you can just leave this thing. Let me just pass than making a fuse out of nothing before the thing escalates. You understand me? She said, Abby. I said yes. She said okay. One day now, I was now coming back with one of my friends, another friend like that. We are just gisting and coming back. So just the guy, he stayed because we are going through the same direction. We are talking. Now said, how far? I said, fine. He now said, a story that can bring story. We talk about it, we talk about school, we talk about everything. That my friend used to be this one. I was like, what do you mean by that? Where is this coming from? He now said, that he has never seen a girl that will throw herself at a man gradually, be that even when the man is clearly not interested. I was like, please stop it there. where is this story coming from? What do you mean? That means that I've even had to be going around school saying that she's been the one checking. My dear, what do you have? The last time I checked, all of us used to trek home. I've not seen you with anything that I say like this place. You say, maybe you used to take chata. All of us are legged these bends that we're using. So what is it that you won't let me hear what? So I said, so she's not tell me. That day that there was a day she came to school on a Monday that she was described her clothes that day, and when my mind went to it was that day she wore that foolish okrika clothes. Not even, it's not as if okrika is bad. That foolish, I don't know, rope clothes. That the girl came to him and now told him she wants to talk to him. So he left with her. The girl after telling him that he liked her, it was as if the ground should open and swallow me. And I said, you said what? And I said, yes. And I said that even at that we are in 21st century, we don't want to get, like, as I was defending the girl, in my mind I was like, can we just end this talk? And I said that it's not good though. That's what he wanted to say. You know now, he has pride. Now he's very having nonsense fight over nothing. So me now, I went to her. I was pissed off. I was mad. I see the way I'm carrying your matter on my head. Why not tell me the truth? It was like a mistake. Maybe like, I don't know what came over me like this. That me acting like a fool, shouting at somebody's son that did absolutely nothing to me. When I know you did not give me the exact fact, because this way you have no reason to lie to my face. He thought I knew. She now said that she doesn't have the face like to tell me. You know that all those, like, I just have to like leave it like that. You know, all those clothes that she bought, she had to stop like wearing it. Like still we even used them as like house clothes. It was that bad. Since then, till we left that place, there was no day she involved me. She even involved me again. But this one wasn't really anything. She was like somebody was having something to do with. So she begged me. This one is beg to talk to the guy on her behalf. So I went to talk to the guy. The guy was washing clothes. I've seen things in this life. The guy was not telling me that see what this girl did. And I told him just forgive her. I can't even remember it. You should just forgive her. It's none of her business. The boy now went back to tell me that he had that she threw herself at the Emeka guy. That the news went around campus. That what happened. I tried to convince him and everything. But it taught me a very good lesson. Like, at that age, like, I knew there was no how I'll ever put myself in such a situation. I will be the one to go after a man. It's even understandable that maybe a man checked me and later he's not into me then because maybe I've fallen for him. I'll be the one calling him, you understand me, doing all the whole necessary things. I will not say love is blind. But to be the first person to make an attempt, because that singular act, like, it scarred her for. It will scar her even in all her adulthood age. Maybe she's over it now. Definitely she should be over it. But for our duration of stay in that school, it scarred her because it was like just like a turning point. Like, so everybody had something to like say to it, had something to refer back to. So from a thing like from that age, I knew there was no how I, Oji Nelly, will be the one to first and tell a guy like, I'm into you. It cannot happen, and God will not let it happen. Like, it just had to end there. So that is it. Please, if you watched to this part, comment, please. I'm just a new YouTuber. I'm a new person here. Even if I've stayed for months, I'm still new because my views are low. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.